Hello, I'm Katina from Flamboyance Tours in Adelaide, and I'm here with
Sharon from Hahndorf Walking Tours, and at the moment we're right on the main street of Hahndorf.
So this is Sharon's domain, and I guess I wanted to ask Sharon first of all, what do you love about Hahndorf and giving walking tours in this part of the city?
Well, Katina, I love walking tours because Hahndorf is so full of rich history, beautiful Germanic buildings, and just lovely food and beverages. And so even though people walk up and down our main street, they don't realise what they're missing. They need to know what it's all about. Don't you find that?
Well, that's it. It's all about us as tour guides being able to tell you the right story. So I find it's the same thing within the city centre. There are so many quirky tales to tell, and you don't know anything unless you've actually got a local telling you what the story is behind a particular building or behind a particular street.
That's right. You know, my great-great-grandfather put the shingles on the roof of Government House. So how about that? You know someone with some history.
Yeah, that's it. And you know, regardless of whether we're a fifth generation or a second generation to Adelaide, you know, we've still lived here, we've still breathed it, and that's what it's all about. And that's why we absolutely adore showing people from all over the world what Adelaide and what Hahndorf are all about.
We want you to have stories, we want people to have memories, and we want you to have the best experience. And so that's why we're both passionate about what we do. We really encourage you to come on a walking tour, and look, you get to meet this lovely lady.
Likewise! You know, we're great characters, and we hope to see you on a walking tour soon, whether it be here in Hahndorf or down in the Adelaide CBD.
That's right. Bye for now.